Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at this DSUSMA car jump starter. This is great to have in your car just for emergencies. You don't have to rely on somebody else to jump start your car. So if you're in the middle of nowhere, this comes in perfect. And we got these two cable clips right here, one for positive and one for negative. And then it looks like you got some type of plug here. And then you got the USB-C charging cord right there. Here is the actual jump starter. Looks like you even got a flashlight right here. On the side, you've got that port to charge up. So you got the engine start right here. So you wanna go ahead and lift up that cover, and that's where you'll go ahead and plug this into. And it looks like this is lighting up green right now. So this is ready to go ahead and connect to your car. And the nice thing is with those USB ports, you can use this as a power bank. So if your phone ever runs out of battery and you're just in the middle of nowhere, this comes in perfect. I clicked the power button once, it says 58%, so that's how much battery's on there. Holding that down again, the flashlight goes on. It's a decent flashlight, honestly. That'll definitely help you if you need to repair your car, change a tire, stuff like that. There's a slow blink and there's a fast blink. It just has this very tactical, high quality feel to it. And the nice size means you can even put this inside your glove compartment. Thanks for watching.